Hey guys, it's Elisa with FusionDIY. I am delighted that you decided to join me today, and I just wanted to come on quick because I wanted to share with you a thrift haul. Today is a very dreary, rainy day. This is the remnants of Hurricane Ian, and so here in the Northeast it's rainy and dreary and cold, and so what better thing to do on a rainy, dreary day than to go thrifting, right? So I stopped at the Habitat for Humanity store and I picked up a bunch of items, and I'll share those with you now. Some of them I'm actually going to keep for myself, and some of them I am going to put in my booth, which is located at the Pickers Junction in Sellersville, Pennsylvania. I found this little house, which is part of a Christmas village, and it is a school. You can see that right there on the front. And a couple of years ago, I bought a village, and I took all of them and I painted them white, and I put the fairy lights in them, and I had put them on my mantle, and it turned out beautiful. So I think that I'm probably going to do the same thing with this because there was not enough houses on the mantle, and so I'm thinking that that's what I'll do. It's very dirty, it needs to be washed, but you know, I think that's my plan for this piece. I also picked up this throw. Sorry. And here comes Dixie. What are you doing? What are you doing? This throw was $6. Oh, the house, by the way, was $1. The throw is $6, and I just love the colors in it. It is reversible. This is the back, and that is beautiful too, and it's in great condition. I paid $6 for it. I'm going to probably put it in my booth. It's a lap-sized throw, and it's just beautiful, and it's got the cottage core colors. If you see the greens and the pinks, it is just really, really pretty. So I'm excited to be able to put that in my booth, and that'll probably go in the booth tomorrow. Okay, what else? I found this cute mug, and I have a mug rack in my booth, and I just thought that was so cute. So somebody that has a golden retriever is going to want that mug, so I will put that in my booth tomorrow as well. It comes from St. Nicholas Square. So I know that when you try to buy these in the store, they can get pretty expensive. So I thought, you know, I paid $1 for it, so I'll sell it for a couple of dollars, and hopefully it'll turn over quickly. Then I found this basket, and I love this basket, and it also has right there on the bottom, it's got a hole in it. And so what I'm going to do is find one of my candlesticks, and I'm going to put a candlestick underneath it, and then I'm going to put some greenery in here. I did that with another basket, and that sold pretty quickly. So I think this will be a pretty quick sale. Again, this was $1 as well. What else did I find here? I thought this was really cute, and I'm going to definitely clean it up. Look at this little piggy. Isn't that cute? I am definitely going to take off the ribbon, and I'm going to take off this tuft of hair, and I'm just going to wash it up. And I have a 3-tier tray in my booth where I put a lot of white items and more kitchen related items. So I thought that this guy would go great. Look at the expression. Don't you love the expression on his face? I just think it's so cute. So that was $1. I couldn't pass this up. This was a bag of Spanish moss, and that was $1. I know you can get them at the Dollar Tree for $1, but this looks like it was a fairly large bag, so I'm happy with that purchase. And then these are actually a couple things that I purchased for myself, some Christmas tickets, you know, some gift tags. I'm going to keep those and I'm going to use them you know, for Christmas because my stash is running low. And then I have a jewelry, not a jewelry box, a silver box. You know, somebody kept their silver in that I painted and I lined and everything else. And the only thing that was missing on it was a handle. So I happened to find one. Of course, I'm not going to keep it gold. I am going to paint it, but it was $1. So, and this is one of those that I'm actually going to glue it onto the lid. I'm not going to screw it in. And so I thought for $1, you know, that was a good find. Okay, and then I stopped at, oh, one more thing from the Habitat Restore. I got this. This is actually a twin size coverlet. And it has the cottage core colors in it all the way. The greens, the pinks, the creams. It is in beautiful condition, and I paid $15 for it. So I'm hoping that, you know, I can at least sell it for $25 or $30. I had one in my booth once before, and it sold very quickly, and it was also a twin size. So I'm hoping that this one will sell equally as quickly. Like I said, it's really in good condition. The back is just a plain white. So this would be great on a little girl's bed, or even if you just wanted to have it over your couch to keep you warm in the middle of the winter, because we are getting to that season. Then I stopped at, oh, here comes the entourage. Okay, you guys need to go down. Come on, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go. I don't exclude them from my videos because they're part of my family. So I stopped at a yard sale and I found this mason jar. Now I will tell you that I had 3 of these that I picked up at the Habitat Restore, and I sold the set of 3 for $40, and they did sell fairly quickly. So this one is in good condition. You know, it's got the lid. There's a couple of dings in the lid. I don't know that I can bang those out, but you know, I'm gonna resell it. I'm not gonna do anything to it. I'm just gonna wash it and price it and put it in my booth. So I thought that was a good. I paid $4 for this, and that's what I paid for the ones at the Habitat Restore. That was really a find. Also at a yard sale, this was a yard sale find, I found this. Now this is a little more primitive than what I typically go for, but I think that what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out and I'm going to get some sticks or twigs, and I'm going to put those in there. I know that they're supposed to hold votive candles, but I think I want to do something a little bit different with it. But you know, it's a primitive piece. Like I said, I don't sell a whole lot of primitive, but it is very, very cute, and it's in great condition. This was $3. And then check this out, gang. This is a solid copper pot. It's solid copper, and I know that because it's heavy as all get out. And it's got the steel handles on the side. Now, I don't know what this might have been used for. It doesn't look like it was used for cooking because there's no, you know, no indication of that on the bottom. But it is in great condition. I think what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to, again, go out and collect some sticks and some thin branches, and I'm just going to fill it up and maybe throw in some artificial autumn leaves. I think that that would really be great. This I paid $1 for at the yard sale. At that same yard sale, I also found this, and it says grateful, thankful, blessed. And you can see up there it was $2. So I'm not going to do anything with this except put it into my booth. I'll take the $2 sticker off it, I'll reprice it and put it into my booth. I just thought that that was a great find. I'm not sure if this kind of thing is still selling. From what I understand, signs are kind of iffy these days, but it really is pretty. And if it doesn't sell, I'll probably hang it somewhere here in my house because I really do like it a lot. It's got a very rustic feel to it. And then finally, Oh, no, two more things. So this I found. This was $1. This came from the Habitat Restore also. It's a Lazy Susan. And the reason I like these is because they are very easy to sell. Normally when I find Lazy Susans, I keep them and I use them when I am painting a piece. But I have a couple, I don't need another one, so I thought what I would do is paint this one and put a really nice transfer on it. And so that's what I'm going to do with this. It was $1, it's in great condition, and so I just need to give it a little bit of a clean. It looks like it might have been sitting in somebody's garage for a while. It's got a lot of dust on it and cobwebs and such, but the wood is in excellent condition. And so I think with a coat of paint and a transfer, it will be just beautiful. And then, finally, my last piece, I picked up these two pillow shams. Now, I love anything quilted, as you can tell. These pillow shams they were brand new. And so what I thought I would do is I am going to sew up the back. I'll hand stitch the back closed, and then I thought what I would do is I would sew them together and I would make a table runner. Now this is more spring colors, you know, but my feeling is that's okay because, you know, somebody could always use it. These are in great condition. They are hand stitched, it looks like, and so I am going to put them to good use. They were probably sitting in the Habitat Restore because they don't have a mate there's no quilt to go along with it, but I thought that it was a great find, and I don't know, we'll see. I'm going to try to make it a table runner, and if that's not successful, then I will figure out something else to do with them. So very short and sweet thrift haul today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and leave a comment below. Your comments help my channel to grow, and I really do appreciate each and every one of my subscribers. Thanks again for joining me. I hope that you have an awesome week, and I'll see you in the next video.